Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure mobile data limit on HUAWEI MediaPad M5 Lite. To do this, we'll need to open our settings, then find wireless and networks settings, and here we can go for the mobile data usage. Then there's more data settings, and we can activate monthly data limit. Here enter the number for the limit. Keep in mind that 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte, and in this case we're gonna go for 6000. Click on OK, and your mobile data is set. Then we can change the start date when it resets, so we're gonna go for the first day of the month. And we can also change the usage reminders. When we are over the limit, we can disable mobile data or activate it to get notifications. Here you can adjust the monthly data reminder, notifying me when my data usage reaches a certain amount of percentage, and you will get these notifications. And there's also option to activate daily data reminder. So for example, if you use 1 gigabyte a day, you will get the notifications that it was already used in this amount. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.